Hello everyone, this is Shohar Islam. Welcome back to Asian Imports. Today I'll be showcasing you the one and only brand new 2024 Toyota Crown Sports SUV, the only factory ordered unit available in the town. Before we dive into more details of the Crown Sports SUV, let's take a quick look on the other Crown family members to understand where this beauty fits in. First, we have the Toyota Crown Sedan, an iconic flagship that redefines luxury and elegance. Then there's the Crown Estate, offering unmatched versatility for families and professionals alike. What happens when luxury meets adrenaline, when innovation embraces agility? That's where the Toyota Crown Sports comes in. A new symbol of power, precision, elegance. From its athletic stance to its razor-sharp detail, redefines boldness. Built for those who demand excitement and luxury, it features a dynamic drivetrain, precision engineering, and cutting-edge technology for an unmatched driving experience. Now, let's talk about the performance of the car. Under the hood, the Crown Sports SUV boasts a 2.5-liter hybrid engine with all-wheel drive, which produces 236 brake horsepower, delivering an incredible blend of power and efficiency. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, it handles smooth yet responsive, offering a superior driving experience.